Hey, have you been following the news about women empowerment lately?
Yes, it's been all over the news and social media. It's great to see that the issue is being brought to the forefront.
Absolutely. I think it's important to continue raising awareness about the challenges that women face both in the workplace and in society as a whole.
Definitely, it's about time that we start having more conversations about gender equality and taking concrete steps to achieve it.
I completely agree. Women have so much potential, and it's important that we create an environment where they can thrive and reach their full potential.
Exactly. It's not just about promoting equal pay or opportunities for women. It's about creating a culture where women feel valued, respected, and supported.
Yes, and that means addressing the gender stereotypes that are still so prevalent in our society. We need to break down those barriers and show that women are just as capable as men in every area of life.
Absolutely, and it's not just about women. Men also have a crucial role to play in promoting gender equality and supporting women's empowerment.
Yes, it's important for everyone to come together and work towards creating a more inclusive society where everyone has equal opportunities and rights.
Agreed. It's a long road ahead, but it's heartening to see that the conversation is gaining momentum and people are starting to take action to create a better world for women.
Yes, I agree. It was great to have this conversation with you. I hope I can discuss this topic with you some other time.
Thank you.